How to use guided photo info on Progressive Insurance. Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are providing you with a guide perfect if you're filing a claim after an accident or vehicle damage. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, let's understand what guided photo claims is. It's a progressive feature that lets you upload photos of the damage right from your phone, and adjuster reviews the photos and sends you an estimate, often faster than scheduling an in-person inspection. So here's how you can use it. You can open up a Progressive application or directly go to the Progressive account online, and you can go to the section for claims. So find this option for claims and click on it. You can either log in to the application and look out for it. And once you find claims option, you can look out for the option to directly add up a photo. You can look out for that option or select this option called report a claim and follow up the process to report a claim. So wait for that page to load up. You can do so in the application as well or within the website also. You can just head over and follow out the steps. So first of all, you need to answer some questions. You can just go over and answer, such as, is everyone currently safe? Yes or no? And we can start by providing in the sections. First of all, enter up your full name here, and then your phone number that you use in order to create your account. After that, click on this option called I agree and continue. Once you do so, you just need to select up a guided photo. You can take or upload photos from your phone or computer and click on submit for review directly. You do not need to do anything. You can just go over and select it, choose the option for guided photo, and there provide in the necessary information in the photos, such as front of the car, back of the car, both sides, close-ups of damage, VIN plate if asked, and just go over and review the photo and click on submit, and that way you can submit it. And if you want to get approved faster, take photos in good lighting, capture wide shots and close-ups, include all the damaged areas, keep the car very clean enough to, so that the damage is visible, and follow the app's photo prompts correctly. And that way, you should be able to start up a claim and use the guided photo claims directly on Progressive Insurance, and they should help you out. And you can get this estimate without waiting for as an in-person inspection. And that's it, everybody. You may follow that method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.